So another benefit to the CIP homes is that you've got thermal mass, because all the concrete in your building is inside the insulated envelope. What happens is this collects heat during the summertime, and then even in winter, if you follow the passive solar design steps, what will happen is you will have the sun during the day heating up your floor, heating up your walls, and then at night when the sun goes down and the cold comes out, your walls or floor that might be 26 degrees will start releasing into your house. So it's a great benefit for grabbing that energy efficiency again. It's just another little bonus to this system, and I didn't realize how much it did perform and help when living in a super concrete insulated home. The benefit also is that thermal lag will probably push you 6 weeks further into winter before having to turn on your heat source. So it's a nice little benefit, works really, really well with the passive solar design. So make sure you get amongst that when you're designing your house. So along with the thermal lag that you get with the thermal mass of the concrete being inside the insulated envelope, it helps with temperature fluctuations. So, for a house that is heated by air or doesn't have thermal mass properties, you can see temperature swings inside your house of 6 degrees. Like you might notice when you go to a friend's house and you go from upstairs to downstairs, the basement's cool. What happens here with the concrete, you can get your temperature fluctuations within, I'm going to say 0.5 degrees, but let's call it 1 degree. And when you start living in a high performance home, you definitely notice the fluctuations in temperature, and being super consistent all the time is just a super delight to live with, and it's healthy for you. And so what happens with the thermal mass that's stored, if the temperature drops a little bit, it just pushes it out. It just pushes it out all the time. So again, another benefit to having a super high thermal mass inside your insulated envelope.